Good morning, YouTubers. It's beautiful here in Texas. 45 degrees, supposed to go a little higher today. Yeah. I think we're going to go do some trash picking for a couple hours. Make some money. Free money is always better. Alright. Got a little score. Not much. Saw something over here. Looked like tool bags as a car seat. That's okay. At least we got this piece of metal here. There's some nice totes. Yeah. Both flips is on that. Keep those for skibble scabble stuff. How about that? Take it all. Alright. Let's get some more. Let's go ahead and get it. I keep shutting the door, that dog would jump out. Scrapping buddy on the loose. I'm gonna get that bed frame and put it in the truck. Oh, and a golf club. Oh, and a piece of aluminum. I'll get back with you. Check, see what it is. What we got going on here. I don't know, all of them doors up, they sound horrible. Turbo heater. I wonder if it's got fuel in it. Probably not, it's been sitting a while. Nothing. Yep, I'll throw that in. Why not? Scrap goal today. You don't know? What did you want earlier?
McDonald's.
Oh, well then that's what our goal is. Make enough for McDonald's, right?
Yeah.
We got that. Okay, I'm done. Let's go home. Kirby. Not a whole lot's in there, huh? Right off into the sunset. You know what you said last time? Right off in the sunset?
Yeah.
There we go. Let's see how far I can chuck it. Oh. Close enough. Alright, I'm exhausted. Lefty. That's the cutest little scrap in the world. Spider-Man fork. Buckets. buckets. That's pretty much it. There's not even enough in there to justify taking those wires in. I'll wait till we fill that up, alright? And then, oh yeah. Okay, let's go get rid of this. Alright, let me give you the rundown on what I took in today. We went to our little, I call it the crappy yard, but like I said, I love the Mexicans there. Whatever. They teach me some tricks. Copper number 2, $1.75. Number 1, $1.95. I didn't have a whole lot of that. Bear Bright, $2.20 a pound. 11 bucks. That was that little crap you seen in the bucket. Sheet aluminum, blah, 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 you know, whatever. Brass, yellow. I didn't know I had to. Oh, yeah, I did. All right. Dirty. What we got? Aluminum. I think that was, what was it, 15 cents? That's dirty. That's that dirty window I wasn't pulling the glass out of. And then $2.40 on the 10 shred. Then we went to another scrap yard. I like this one. PC board number 4. 4 pounds, 8 bucks. I didn't get to strip all that wire. I got to strip most of it, but bills are due, so you know. 27 pounds. They give me $1.50 on that one. I don't know if you can see that or not. 40.50. The little coolers inside the computers. 50 cents. Hard drives, $3 for 10 of them. That's a pound. I mean 10 pounds. And you get the rest of it. If you need to look over the numbers, just watch the video again. Right? My neighbor brought me some goodies over to sell. I mean, this isn't just to have, you know. I'm going to sell them for him, and I'm sure he's going to give me a kickback. That's a real Harley Davidson leather jacket. This is the real deal. Those are like $400. What else we get? This fishing pole. Creeper. Brand new, never even used. Got all the hardware here in the box. Well, you can slide up under that ride when you need to, you know how that goes. People realize when you start selling stuff, they're going to bring it over and let you sell it for them and then kick you out on it. That thing's hardly got any use on it. This one don't look like it has any use on it. I don't think it's even been opened yet. It hasn't. Yep. Boss Stitch. New unopened. Sell a few things for them. I'll let you guys know how all that turns out. Thanks for watching.